What's up guys? So, armchair Apple watchers, like myself, can only speculate about what features are going to be in the new iPhone. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, subscribe to this channel will be phenomenal. Now, let's start the video. However, we already have a bunch of clues, based on numerous leaks that have originated from guys like Ming-Chi Kuo, Jon Prosser, and Mark Gurman, and it looks like iPhone 12 series is going to be the most boring update that Apple has done in recent times. Many of the iPhone's upgrades in the last 2 years have been iterative, especially since the introduction of the Face ID facial recognition technology that has been part of the line since the launch of the iPhone X. It's now in every current generation phone the company sells. And one of the biggest criticisms people make about iPhones would be the notch. For the most part, many have become accustomed to the notch in the display, but this is not to say that it cannot be improved upon, or maybe even removed entirely. If you were hoping that the notch would be going away soon, you might be disappointed to learn that with the iPhone 12, it looks like not only will the notch be staying, but it will also be retaining the same size. iPhone 12 Pro will look like the iPhone 11 Pro, which looked like the iPhone XS, which again looked like the iPhone X. 4 years, the same old design. And that's not it. Ming-Chi Kuo, a very famous Apple analyst says, none of Apple upcoming iPhone 12 phones will include a high refresh 120Hz display, including their Pro variants. The phones will stick to 60Hz. Honestly though, this is really weird to think that they are not going to bring a 120Hz display this year. This has been on the market for 2 years. A $200 mid-range phones have a 120Hz display these days, and almost every Android flagship phone has it too. It just feels weird that a $200 phone can do 120Hz these days, and a $2 trillion company cannot. I can understand and appreciate Apple's approach of putting out a polished and not half-baked product, but for the price of over $1,100 for the Pro variant, you should get 120Hz. No question about it. By the way, I can see some people and publications are trying to justify Apple for including 60Hz on the iPhone 12, with some super moronic reason, when in fact they were the ones canceling the regular Galaxy Note 20, for having the same 60Hz display. You can find plenty of them on Twitter, who say they don't need this year but wait till it hits next year, and all of them raves about how awesome it is, and how Apple did it right. Anyway, let's take a look at other quote-unquote major changes we're going to see on the iPhone 12 Pro. The frame of the phone is now going to be squared. There will be a LiDAR sensor, which I don't think people would care. The smaller 5.4 iPhone 12 will supposedly have a smaller notch and a new A14 Bionic chip. There's nothing new on this phone worth mentioning. It won't have a periscope zoom camera either, just 2x zoom, same notch, same front design, no high refresh rate display, no headphones, no chargers, no high-resolution camera, nothing. All in all, the iPhone 12 series is shaping up to be one of the most boring upgrades in recent memory. All of these small, iterative improvements are nice, but they aren't particularly compelling and are not enough, especially if they are charging over $1,000 for it. So, what do you think about it? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel will be amazing. And my name is Arjun, this is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.